Today we're going to talk about percent change, otherwise known as percent increase or decrease, also known as the rate of discount. The basic formula for this is going to be the positive difference of the new and original values divided by the original value. That will give you your percent change. It will give it to you in a decimal form. You'll just have to then convert it to the actual percent. Let's look at a couple examples to see how this works. In our first example, you're buying a pair of jeans for $73.50 that were originally $105. What is the rate of discount? So we have our original value is going to be $105. The new value is $73.50. And we are looking for the percent discount. That's what we don't know. Okay? So our formula is the positive difference. So what that means is you want to subtract your original and new values, making sure to put the larger number first. So 105 minus 73.50 divided by the original. Okay, your original is always your denominator. And that will give us our percent change. So doing our subtraction, 105 minus 73.50 is 31.50 divided by 105 will give us our rate of change. So 31.50 divided by 105 is 0.3. That is our percent change as a decimal, which turns into 30%. So 30% is the rate of discount. Okay, that's an example of when your original price was more than the new price. Let's take a look at another example. Now we're going to have an increase. The number of students taking Algebra 1 increased from 40 to 48. What is the percent increase of students taking Algebra 1? So now, our original value is 48. Our original value is 40. Our new value is 48. And our percent increase, that's what we're trying to figure out. Okay, again, that will be our x value. So again, we need the positive difference between our original and new values. 48 is bigger, that comes first then. 48 minus 40 over, again, here's our original, over 40 will give us that percent increase. So 48 minus 40 is 8. 8 over 40 will give us our percent increase. 8 divided by 40 is 0.2. Again, that's our percent as a decimal. So converting that to our percent, that gives us 20%. So 20% is the rate of increase. Okay. And we're going to look at one more example where we either don't know the original or the new value. Okay. So now you're going to lunch with your friends at Rudy's. With tax and tip, your bill was $62.50. The rate for your tax and tip together was 25%. What was the cost of the meal before tax and tip? So now we don't know what our original value is. Our new value after the tax and tip is $62.50. And our percent or rate of increase, okay, we know that it's getting bigger because we had our bill, then we had tax and tip, and then our bill increased to $62.50 is 25%. Okay, so the positive difference, our new value is going to be bigger than our original value because we are increasing. So $62.50 minus x over our original value of x equals our percent increase. This time, we know our percent increase. Okay, and again, the reason the $62.50 is first is because we are increasing our bill. Our new value here is is larger than our original. Now, all we have to do is solve our proportion. We can cross multiply. So x times 0.25 is 0.25x equals 6250 minus x times 1 is 6250 minus x. We can add x to both sides. We are left with 1.25x equals 6250. And now, let's move this up a little bit, we can divide both sides by 1.25. And x equals $62.50 divided by 1.25. X is 50. Now remember, 50 is not a percent. What we were looking for was our original cost of the bill. So that means that the cost of the meal before tax and tip was $50. And that's it. See you later.